Assalamu alaikum wa rahmatullahi wa barakatuh. Hello again, grade 6. We have a new lesson today. Our new lesson called what? Create geometric shapes in the coordinate plane. So let's start. Bismillah. First of all, I want you to memorize with me some important shapes, just like this shape. I think we taught all these shapes in grade 3, I think, grade 3 and grade 4 and so on. Okay, this shape called what? Yes, it's a square, okay? And what is the main property for the square? According to its sides, yes, all its sides length are equal. So all the sides of the square are equal. What about the angles? What does it mean, angles? Okay, these small shapes or small corners is the angle between these two sides and these two sides and these two sides and these two sides. So all the angles again are equal. Equal to what? Equal to 90 degrees, or I can call them what? I can call them right angles. So the square has 4 sides, all its sides are equal and perpendicular or has right angles in each corner. Okay, so all the 4 angles are right angles. Okay, what about this shape? This shape is a square? No, we have here 2 long sides and 2 short sides, and we call it super rectangle. So this is a rectangle, so we can say that the 4 sides of the rectangles are equal? No, just each 2 opposite sides. What are the equal things here in the rectangle and it's similar to the square? Yes, the what? Yes, the angles. I have here again 4 right angles. So it has 4 equal right angles and each 2 opposite sides are equal and parallel. Miss, what does it mean parallel? Parallel means what? If I extend this side and this side will never meet. If I extend this side and this side will never meet. Okay, so in the rectangle we have 4 equal right angles and each 2 opposite sides are parallel and equal. Okay, what about this shape? If this shape is a square? No. If this one is a rectangle? No. It's just like the rectangle, but it doesn't have right angles, right? Each 2 opposite sides are equal and parallel, but it doesn't have any right angle inside it. So we call it what? This quadrilateral shape called what? Called parallelogram. Called again what? Parallelogram. So the parallelogram has what? Has any right angle inside it? No, it has just each 2 opposite sides are equal and parallel. Okay, what about this shape? If this shape is a square? No. Is it a rectangle or parallelogram? No. Do we have here any right angle in this shape? In this shape, we don't have 4 right angles. Do we have here any 2 parallel sides? Yes, we have this parallel and this parallel side. This side and this side are parallel. So we have just a pair of parallel sides or just 2 opposite parallel sides. In this shape, we call it what? Again, we call it trapezium. We call it what? Trapezium or trapezoid. We call it trapezium or trapezoid. So the trapezium has 4 sides, just 2 of them are parallel. And we have different shapes or different kinds or types of the trapezium, just like this one and this one and this one. As you can see here, we have 2 right angles, but the other 2 are not right angles, okay? And this one doesn't have any right angles. And in this one, I think this is isosceles trapezium, which means this side equal to this side. All of these shapes called what? Called trapezium or trapezoid, okay? Okay. So let's now find how can we draw a shape of these shapes and the coordinate here. Let's see this problem. Plot the point A, which is -2 and 1, and B, which is 3 and 1, on the coordinate plane. Then find the position of the 2 points D and C on the plane such that ABCD is a square. When join the 4 points in 2 different ways. So once again, I have a point called A and a point called B, and we know what are the order pair for both of them. And we know we want to complete the shape to make what? To make a square, right? And this square named by what? A, B, C, D. This is the name of the square, right? So first of all, let's find out he wants me to do it by two different ways. The first way, we are going to draw it here in this lattice or in this plane. Okay, let's starting by plotting A. Plot means what? Find where is A. A is -2 and 1. Where can you see -2 and 1? Yes, this is -2 and 1. So I will call this point A. What about B? 3 and 1. Where is 3 and 1? 3 and 1. So this point is B. Okay, how can we complete the drawing to make a square? First of all, let's find out what is the side length of AB. Okay, we can count 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, or we can use what? The absolute value. Okay, when I want to find the absolute value or the distance between A and B by using the absolute value, what shall we do? We have here 2 points in 2 opposite sides of the axis, so I will add. So the absolute value of -2 plus the absolute value of 3, which equals to 5 units. So the side length of the square is what? 5 points, 5 units. Okay, how can we complete the square? Okay, as we said before, the square has 4 equal sides. So we will complete it by drawing another side from B and another side from A. But we have 2 options here. We can draw it up or drop it down. Now we know what are the 2 different ways he wants me to solve this question by. So start with drawing it down like this. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. Then 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. Then 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. This is a square. Where can I put C and D? Now the square called what? A, B, C, D. So I have to put it in the same order. What does it mean same order, Miss? A, B, C, D? No. I have to move just like this. Just like the clock. A, B, C, D. It has to be just like a circle. A, B, then C, then D. Okay? I can't switch between them. Okay, so the order pair of C here is what? 3 and 4, -4. And what about the order pair of D? It will be -2 and -4. Super. Okay, let's now find out the second way to draw the square. Again, we will plot A and B, and this is the side of AB. This time I will go up or down? I will go up. So 5 places up, 5 places up, to the right, sorry, to the left, and 5 places here. So it will be what? Yes, this is C and this is D. The order pair of C is 3 and 6, and the order pair of D is -2 and 6. And that's all for today. Thank you and see you soon, inshallah.